llamo Pancho. You ugly. No comprendo.
Thumbs up.
So, what she want me to do? Clean up? ¿Qué tú quieres, papi? You're cute.
She just called him ugly earlier.
I know. I know. That's the point.
Are you already in love?
Pero tú eres una gabacha. A mí me gusta gabachas.
Oh boy.
Is that appropriate?
Alex is having a little too much fun with his paper bags.
I'm entertained.
I love how he's talking and you're
What's the
talking.
name of that puppet from he's like from another country and he's like a bombing, he's like terrorist.
Dunham?
Yeah.
The dead terrorist?
Look up the video.
I've seen it.
I know, look it up, I'm watching it.
Alright, you're not in it.
Are you making videos of this?
Yes.
Yeah, you're in it. Don't do it.
Today.
Turn to him.
No.
Turn it. Record him.
I got you.
Alex, entertain. Are you gonna put this on Facebook?
No, I can't put videos on
Good.
Facebook. On Twitter?
No. You don't have a Twitter.
I know. But I can make one.
Just to put it on. I would retweet that.
Yes. Got it. I can also mute my videos. I don't know what I was just doing.